Stress is very common. It's something that we all deal with at one point or another in our lives. But in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a tip that has personally helped me become extremely stress-free. So if you're interested, stay tuned. The next time that you become stressed, I want you to try this one trick, and that is to simply put that stress or whatever's stressing you out into perspective. As a general rule of thumb for myself, I don't stress about anything that won't impact me in the future. And what I mean by that is, if there's an event that I'm stressed about that I know won't impact me 2 years down the line, there's no point in being stressed about it, right? Don't stress yourself about something that you won't even remember in the future. I understand that everyone can be stressed in that moment and emotions take over, but take a deep breath, close your eyes if need be, and just put that into perspective. Will this event impact you in the future? If that answer is no, you don't need to be stressed about it at all. A great example of how this approach has worked for me is when I first graduated college, I had a job. And a lot of the assignments that I was given were way over my head, right? I was just a new college grad, so I didn't have any experience with a lot of the technical solutions that we were trying to implement. So I was extremely stressed. I would go home thinking about, that days of work and how I was gonna reach the deadline and things like that. But through talking to my mother, she told me, don't stress about something that you literally won't remember in 2 years. And behold, 2 years now, I don't even remember what that assignment was. I don't remember the emotions. I don't remember anything about that stressful event at the time because it simply just went away. It's not something that, carried on to my future. I remember vaguely there was an assignment that was given and that I was stressed about it, but I don't remember those emotions. It was just at that point in time, I was stressed. So the next time that you become stressed, I really want you to try to put that in perspective. Just think about how your life will be, down the road. Will this event really impact you? Probably not. Stressful events can vary, right? Everyone has certain triggers to stress them out. But my advice would be to really put that into perspective. And I keep saying the word perspective because it's personal for you. I can't tell you, your own personal perspective. I want you to think about it. Will it impact you in a week, a month, 5 years down the line? Think about things that have stressed you out in the past that you don't remember. Think about, 5 years ago, how you may have been stressed about getting a C or a D on a test in school or whatever the case may be. Is that impacting you right now in your current life? Probably not, right? So what I would like you guys to do is go out and try this strategy. A lot of my friends and family members look at me and say, you are never stressed ever. And it's simply because I put everything in perspective. I don't stress about things that don't need to be stressed about. I live in the moment and I just enjoy life. So I want all of you to do the same. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. I'd really like to hear from you guys on things that have stressed you out. But when you think about it and you put it into perspective, it's no longer a stress for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everyone have a good day, and remember, the grind don't stop.